Can we just not anymore? Like, oh my God. I mean, it should not be this expensive just for us to start getting our nails done. Back in the day, yes, I'm gonna hit you with a back in the day. Oh, back in the day, a full set used to be a minimum of $25, and you used to get all type of designs on it with airbrush. I'm telling my age, yes. But now everybody want at least $170. $170, and the nails be crooked. What? Like, I'm gonna need it to make a little bit more sense. Then there is such a language barrier. If I go to a nail salon where, you know, they might be from Vietnamese, Korean, or Chinese or Japanese, I don't know, but I cannot communicate with you. So there's a problem. There's a language barrier, and I need to be able to communicate for the service that I'm trying to pay for. Now, then, if I go to the opposite direction, I try to go to a nail tech that is American, let's say if they're black like me or white, then you have to worry about them taking their fucking time. There is no reason I should be as your client. I should not be here more than 5 hours, okay? Just for nails. We have got to do better. This just does not make any sense. I seen a young lady say that she paid $170 just for French tip dip manicures. A manicure, not acrylic. How does this even make any sense? Like, I'm gonna need y'all to make more sense when you come up with your pricing. Everybody wants to get paid. Trust me, I know. I come from the beauty industry. I was a licensed cosmetologist for 20 plus years. So I know everybody wants to get paid, but we have to start making a little bit more sense with our pricing. And then I see the other side where a lot of people are complaining because people are going to press on nails. I myself will stay there. There is no reason that I will pay you anywhere near $170. Nope, not doing it. $6.99, and I got my drill off of Amazon for $20. You use the drill to make your nail beds really, really rigid. You can buy some dehydrator off of Amazon for like $2 or $3, and they will stay on for 2 weeks. I'm telling y'all nail techs and nail salons, y'all better stop it, or y'all won't have any customers. Y'all won't have my money. I don't know about other people, but I ain't coming. Yeah!